was a good one. Hey, whoa! Dude, are you okay? You almost went for a ride that time. All right, Dad's turn. One quick jump. Sweet. Sammy, can you say backflip? Good job. Perfect. Did it hit Sammy? Oh, let me. Here we go. Here we go. Wait, check this out. Like an airplane, basically. Dang. Perfect four-wheel landing. Try to do a wall ride where you go all the way off the top. Just do like a insane rampy jump thing. Well, you might not be throwing your hands up high enough. Whoa. Over the wall. It's very cool.
It says here.
Is that thunder?
No, I don't think.
Oh, maybe it's Godzilla. Max in control. All right. Oh, perfect. Here. Whoa, that was cool. Well, it even did a wheelie.
It did a wheelie backwards a little bit.
Oh, let's move this plastic. It might, yeah, it might be getting in the view, dude. Wait. Sweet.
Sweet burnout.
Always. And a sweet jump, of course.
That was cool.
That was cool.
That piece jumped off the side.
It jumped off the wall.
And it did some flips.
Dude, that was off the wall.
Yeah.
Go, go, go.